Have you not seen my new phone yet? It literally folds in half. It's actually pretty cool. Look, it's great for group shots. Stands up by itself.
I would never switch to Samsung. I love my phone.
What?
I love my phone. I've always loved my phone. I would never switch.
Have you not seen my new phone yet? It literally folds in half. Elena?
And fold.
It literally folds in half.
Wait, I've seen this before.
Excuse me.
Stands up by itself.
Stands up by itself.
It's great for group shots. It's actually
It's
pretty
actually pretty cool. But I would never even think about switching.
I love buying the same phone over and over again.
You see, I love my phone.
I would never switch to Samsung.